What's up, Team Curly? I'm back with another video. I'm doing a quick update. I have people asking me from TikTok about the process of me getting my husband here from Jamaica. So I'm gonna go ahead and speak about that today in a quick video. So if you guys don't know, on Facebook, it's a group, Jamaica NVC process. Jamaica NVC process. I will go ahead and show a picture of that so you can see. Go add that group. That group definitely helped a lot of people with the process. Again, they are not lawyers, but they are the administrators in this group are helping people get their spouses here from Jamaica. And it's going off experiences and people getting good feedback in the group. And it's definitely like, it's people in there that's going through the same thing that we are going through. So it's definitely a healing group. You know, you can vent to if you want to. But I'm going to go ahead and show a picture of that in this video. And also, let me go ahead and get to the process. As you guys know, I met my husband in 2019. I started his process in 2020. So we got married in March 2020. At that time, the pandemic started. So when I did get married, I came back to the USA. I filed for my husband in June. And at that time, when I did file for him, nothing was online. You actually had to print the paper out, sign the paper, and you send it to the USCIS through the mail. So that's the process that I went through when I started. Again, I did not use a lawyer. If you want to use a lawyer, that's on you. It's going to cost you more money. They're not going to get you through the process even faster, but it's going to cost you money. Again, don't use a lawyer if you don't have to, because they're not moving no faster than you. And it's actually easier. It just takes time and patience. Again, time and patience when you are actually doing this process. So in 2020 June, I sent my paper off to USCIS through the mail. I got approved within 50 days, I think, through USCIS. So they approved me. Again, I didn't use a lawyer. This all me. They approved me. They sent it to National Visa Center. Once I got to National Visa Center, they emailed me my login information. I had to pay 2 fees. And also update financial information. So basically, it's like you get information from your husband, his background checks, his background check from the police station, profile picture of his passport, a few things. They'll definitely explain it to you when they send you that email with everything that they need for you to update. So at this time at National Visa Center, I updated everything they asked for. I paid for everything. So at this moment now, I am approved. So I'm approved and waiting for an interview date. Pandemic started. So the National Visa Center did close down for 1 year. So the whole 21 passed by me without me getting a date. Yes. It was almost going on, I'm saying 2 years before I heard anything. So in this time, I was getting frustrated. I see everybody else on TikTok getting interview dates. And actually at this time, because I've been waiting for a year and something. And, you know, I met a few people. I can't say their name for copyright reasons, but I will get out initial RS. So I met a person on TikTok, was going through the same process. You know, we started communicating, and she was at the point that she was waiting on the date as well. It was getting frustrated. So I think she went to do some research and found out you can get expedited. I did know about the expedited process, but when reading about it, I didn't get good feedback. They was like, oh, we did it, we didn't get approved. And it kind of discouraged me, and I was scared. But this person went and did it for herself and told me all the necessary documents that I needed. And she also helped me with the letter. So when she did help me with the letter, to the expedited letter to get it expedited, I did get approved. And once you get this expedited letter approved, everything go fast. I emailed them Friday. I got a response back Monday afternoon that my expedited process was approved after I updated all the information emailed them all the information that was required to get approved, expedited, get it approved. I did get it approved. The process went fast from here. You still have to put in work. It ain't, you know, it's not done yet. You still have to put in work. Once I got approved, I actually emailed the embassy like 60 times after I got approved. Like, hey, I got approved through expedited. Can you give me an interview date? Probably after the 60 times, they did give me an interview date. I was actually in Jamaica at the time when he did get the date. So I went to the embassy with him. I did have to wait outside. I don't know the process now. They probably letting people go in. I waited outside. He was in there at least probably like 27 minutes. He was out of there real quick. Being that once he went in there and came out, and being that I was waiting on my process for a year, I did have to update my transcripts. So he didn't get approved right away. I had to update some transcripts and some bank statements to get him approved. Once I updated them statements and my transcript, I did email them 60 more times and let them know, hey, I got the paperwork in. Can you look at it so we can get this ball rolling? So after the 60th time, they was like, okay, you don't need anything else. It went to administrative process once I got that email back. It went in administrative process 2 days because it was a Friday. So it was Friday. So Tuesday morning, it said issue. So Tuesday morning, it was said issue. Probably he stayed like a week in Jamaica, and then I got him on a flight on the 29th. I woke up one day and he said he was ready to go on the 29th of September of 2022. We got him here to Jamaica. I went and got him here from Jamaica. He's now in the USA with me. We doing very well. We got our YouTube channel, what we are watching now. We got big things in the making. Like, subscribe to this channel. We got a giveaway coming soon. We got big things Team Curlew is working on. If you subscribe to our channel, you will be the first one that, you know, see what we got going on. We are doing very well. Him coming here to the USA, two cultures coming together is, well, my father Jamaican, yeah, but I wasn't born in Jamaica. But two cultures coming together on one roof, it's all right. We make everything work. We always keep each other laughing. You know, we make everything work. But I just wanted to do a quick update on how I got my husband here. Just, you know, trust the process. If you don't need a lawyer, if you don't want to do the leg work, get a lawyer. But if you have the patience to do the leg work, read and learn. It's a good process for you. So you will learn on your own. You don't have to pay all that money to a lawyer. You do not need a lawyer. Waste of time, waste of money. You can do it on your own. So Team Curlew, thank y'all for watching. Bye.